What is up, everybody? Woody LS3 here, coming at you with another vlog. Today I wanted to start with a little cold start from my truck. I hope y'all like that. I wanted to give y'all a little update. The cow tracks are working awesome. I got them adjusted. So if y'all have any questions on how I adjusted them, you can go to the Calvert Racing website and they have awesome instructions on how to set them up. But if not, shoot me a comment on my videos and I can answer them the best that I can. Let y'all know what I did to adjust them. But the truck is working awesome. The only problem that I'm having is I'm actually burning out with one because my truck is not a Posi. So today we're gonna go take care of that. I'm gonna be going to KHP, make my truck a Posi. The reason I like to go to KHP is because I like to stick with the same shop. And not only that, KHP does some awesome work. And I know Kike and KHP is gonna take care of me. So I'm gonna go back over there. They're gonna do the install. Let's see how it goes. So let's go over to KHP. Let's get this Posi put on. So let's go. Alright guys, well we just got here to KHP. Let's go inside and see what they got for us. Alright guys, we're here at KHP. I'm here with Miguel. He's gonna show me what I'm about to get on my truck.
How's it going? Miguel here from KHP. We're gonna be installing the Yukon Posi unit. We're also gonna be putting on a bearing kit. Comes with everything: gasket, the cover gasket, the pinion seal. It comes with the new bearings as well, the carrier bearings for the Posi unit. And for Woody's truck, we're gonna go ahead and go with the 411 gear ratio.
And you recommend this because I got a 6.0, right?
Yeah, for the 6.0 and since it's an extended cab, it should be a good combination. And then, you know, based off of what you're gonna do next with the cam, it's all packaged up. But these are the gears, the pinion and the.
So they are going to be installing this. We're gonna take my truck to the shop. They're gonna be installing this. So now my truck will be a Posi. When I'm at the track, instead of burning out with one, I'm gonna be burning out with both. Since I got the suspension on there good now, and that'll help me a lot more on my takeoffs. So we're gonna get these installed. I'm gonna go to the other shop and get my truck on the lift and get some footage for y'all guys. Alright guys, so they're gonna be installing the Posi unit, but KHP got some sales coming up and they got some specials for y'all that want to get cam installs. I'm here with Miguel. Miguel's gonna tell you a little bit more about it.
Alright, on the 99 to 13, without the DOD, we have the cam kit starting at $890 installed. That's with single springs, a cam of your choice. If for any chance, for example, if you need double springs or want to upgrade to double springs, it's $150 on top. For the 07 to 13 with the DOD cam kit installed, it is $1450 installed.
And you have a page that has all the prices and everything on there?
Yeah, you can check us out on Instagram. It says KHP_performance.
There you go guys. And there's with the prices and everything like that. So if y'all have any questions, ask them on Instagram.
Yeah. On 2014 and up, we also have the special. It's $1,800. That includes a DOD, VVT delete, and the cam kit installed.
There you go guys. For y'all guys that want to get y'all's cam installed, that's parts and labor. So man, that's an awesome deal that Kike's throwing out and Miguel here at KHP. So definitely check them out on Instagram. You know, come get y'all's cam. Everybody, we're back. We came to KHP, we got our parts, and we're actually at the second shop where they do all the work. And this is a little bit of what KHP does. Not only do they build trucks, they also build fast cars. 6th gen Camaro, you can see it right behind me. It's got everything on it. It's got the high ram intake, CFM header sitting on some weld with a Mickey Thompson tire. So man, they do some good stuff. This was all built by Kike and his shop. Like I said, they don't just build fast trucks, they build fast cars. But we're here, we're getting work done on my truck. We're gonna put the Posi in it and a 411 gear. Let's go see what they're doing. All right guys, we're right here. We're with Luis. He's gonna be explaining what he's actually gonna be doing to my truck, because like I said, they're gonna be installing the Posi and the gears on my truck. So let's check in with him, see what he's gonna do. What we got going, Luis?
Le vamos a tirar primero el aceite para empezar, quitar los discos, para sacar las flechas y todo eso. Y acá tenemos the full bearing kit, the Yukon Posi, and the 411 gears.
Alright, so we're gonna put all this in today. He said he's gonna get it done today, right?
Yes, sir.
He said this is the fastest man here, so he's gonna get it taken care of. A ver cómo queda, Luis.
No, tiene que quedar bien.
¿Va a quemar o no?
Oh, sí, con las dos.
Alright guys, so right now he's taking off the calipers. He just took off the rotors, and he, like I said, the calipers right here. He's taking off the other side right now, and then he's gonna take off the plate. He already drained the oil. He's worked really fast, so hopefully we can keep up, and we'll be back on the road. That's the old one, that's the stock one. Esa es la que no quema, ¿verdad?
Con una nomás.
Ahorita le vamos a cambiar eso. Got the new unit in. All the bearings are swapped, ¿verdad?
Yes, sir.
They're all swapped. Now he's putting it back together. He's putting the drive shaft back on, put the cover back on, and put some oil in it. Like that. Luis trabaja recio. Alright guys, we're putting back the plate on the rear end, and then we're just gonna top it off with some oil. Yeah, Luis? Let's put some oil on it.
Es todo ya. El oil y un additive. Un aditivo.
There you go. Alright guys, we're adding in the oil with the additive. Alright guys, this is my old stuff right here, as you can see. Pretty much that's my old bearings and bushings and stuff. The kit comes with everything. There's my box for my unit. Hit up KHP if you need any performance parts for your truck or even your car. As you can see from that Camaro, they also build some fast cars. This is what I went with. So it's a Yukon Posi unit, and then there's my gears, 411 gears. Let's see what the difference is with all this stuff. Alright guys, so Luis is actually going to help us and show us what we need to do to adjust the cow tracks. Right now he's adjusting it, and he's going to explain what you need to see so you know you have the right adjustment. Alright guys, Luis is going to explain what he did.
Este es el que tiene que estar dando vuelta así. Ahorita está muy abierto, pero ya con las llantas abajo tiene que tener tanto así, de separada de la muelle al little roll thing.
Okay. So, eso es lo que debe de estar.
Más o menos.
Entre aquí.
Sí, más o menos. Para que haga su trabajo como debe ser.
Okay. Alright guys, so pretty much what he said is this roller right here, in between the roller and the leaf spring, you're supposed to have the thickness of a quarter, which is this thick. So that's what you're supposed to have right here with the truck being on the ground, and this is where you adjust it. You pretty much unloosen this nut and you can roll this bar and it'll bring it down or up depending on what you need. So, and then after you get your adjustment where you need it, then you go ahead and lock down your nut. You got a nut here and you got a nut here. You go ahead and lock it down, and then that's your basic adjustment. If you need more, you adjust it as you need fit. So this is how to basically adjust them. So that's from Luis. Luis,
sí.
Thank you. Gracias. Y a ver cómo le hacen con el Posi. Alright, so there you go guys. Pretty much you have to have the thickness of a quarter between that top roller that spins freely and the actual bottom of the leaf spring. I hope y'all got what y'all need. and let's keep moving forward. The truck is pretty much done, and then we're gonna see what the difference is with the Posi and the gears. So let's go see. All right, Lewis is done. Got the truck back on the ground. Go ahead and start it up and get it out of here, see what it does. Luis, thank you. Estamos. ¿Qué hace?
Ahora sí quema.
Ahora sí quema. ¿Damos un quemón o qué? ¿No se quema? Hey, we got two drag marks now. Hombre, hey. Yeah, no enemy. Órale, ya está.
Ya está.
Like I said, guys, if you need any work like this done, get with Luis. He's gonna pretty much do the installation. He knows what he's doing. He adjusted my cow tracks also while he was there. And like I said, hit up KHP for your parts. Like I said, they have everything in stock. They had the cow tracks, they had the headers, the Posi unit with the gears. So depending on what gears you want to go with, they have them in stock. So definitely hit up KHP. So we got big stuff coming with this truck. So if y'all like the content, like and subscribe. And see you on the next one.